Welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will be talking about winter essential jumper. We will be talking about trendy jumper, classic jumper. So if you don't want to miss any pieces, continue watching. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. Guys, the first items we'll be talking about is this neutral cardigan. It's very dark fitting, very grandfather fitting, very nice and chic. If you're searching for those cardigans that can keep you warm, you can style out, you can style at home, you can use as loungewear, I would say give this number a try. It's very elegant and chic, and the price is not all over the place. I have the brand version. I decided to pick it in brown because most of my items depends on your sense of fashion, your wardrobe. Personally, the brown goes with most of my items, and they have this colored one that have the details of brown and green. So it depends on your sense of fashion, so you can still decide to pick this color. I would say if you are somebody that love wearing a total black outfit, I would say give this green a try because it's very elegant and chic. And look at this amazing brown one. I just love the details. I think cardigan is must have for winter because it's those items you can style as loungewear, you can style it out under your jacket, under your coat. It will keep you warm, and it's very chic and bougie. And if you're somebody that work in office, you want to wear your silk cami, it's just a way to add this layer up, wear the cardigan on top, you are ready to go. I love this type of elegant pieces items. I think cardigan, you can't go wrong. Look at the number I have here. This one is new to my wardrobe. I think this number here is very elegant and bougie. I will be using it as lingerie, I will be using an artwear because I think this type of number, personally I decided to size up to pick it oversized. So let me know what you think about this classic number. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is this amazing number. I have it in black, I have it in white. I think it's very winter essential. Since you have the matching skirt, I will say this plus is very easy to style. You are ready to go with your overknee boot, you are ready to go. Or if you're somebody that love massive skirt, they have it in version of massive skirt. So something that you have interest for, you can take in consideration. What I love about this piece is that something that you can style as loungewear, you can just dress up at the same time, but very instantly. I love this type of number. Or for somebody that love dressing up at home, I would say give a try to this colored one, this orange one. I think it's like orange, brown, depends on the light. The fact that they have the matching pants, I would say this plus is something that you can style as loungewear. Zara have it in gray too, something that you have interest for. I would say this very nice because I was searching for the pants, but I didn't see my size because I have intention to pick it. I love this type of items with my sneakers, with my coat. I'm ready to go. This type of pieces, you really need it in your wardrobe. It's just a way to play with fashion. It's just a way to take fashion to your home, but at the same time without overdoing it. You have neutral, you have brown, you have light brown. I think it's just plus, it's just win-win. So let me know what you think about this coordinate jumper. I think it's just a way to take your fashion easily, especially if you don't know how to mix and match. Taking the complete pieces is just an easy way to make your wardrobe look very polished and easy to style. Guys, the next pieces I will be sharing that is winter essential. I will say in everybody's wardrobe you have one or two that have this type of number, that have something that looks similar or that look like. I will say this number here is must have. A chunky jumper, white and black, is evergreen. Is those pieces that you will style all over again. What I love about this number is that you can really mix and match with a lot. With your denim, with your skirt, with your sleeve dress, you are ready to go. Personally, I have something that looks similar, something that I picked last year collection. Look at this amazing number here. I've been styling this jumper non-stop. I think this type of jumper is very lovely, and Zara still have almost exactly the same number. Although it's a little bit pricey, but those classic pieces you will style all over again. And look at this amazing neutral number. I would say what I love about this neutral number is that it goes well with your brown blazer, black blazer. You can't go wrong. Look at the amazing number I have here. I would say that this type of number with your denim, with your sneakers, with your coat, you are ready to go. This type of number is those items that you can style all over again. I would say the choking jumper is must have for winter. It's those items that you need to take your wardrobe to the next level. So I said to share with you with some items I have in my wardrobe, the new one and something that is not really too new. I would say this type of pieces, they are evergreen. It's those items that you are going to style all over again. A chunky jumper, white and black, is a classic pieces. The other number I will be sharing, especially in this winter, you want to add inch of color to your wardrobe. A jumper dress, a colorful one, why not? It's just a way to play with color. It's just a way to add an inch of color to your wardrobe. I love this blue number. I love the neckline. I love the length of the hand of the dress. I think it's very lovely, and it will keep you warm. At the same time, it's very elegant. I would say size up or go to your true size, because it's a little bit restrictive, so have that in consideration. But I just love the elegant. What are those days that you don't want to wear denim but you still want to look very put together? I would say give this number a try. Look at this number, guys. Look at this green number. Wow, look at the reach of this color. I think this number here, although it's sleeveless, but it's something that you can really easily resolve with your white oversized garment. You are ready to go. Add a little belt on it. It's very elegant and chic. And Zara have this golden belt collection that you can add to this dress. You can take this dress to the next level. What I love about this dress that I prefer this number here than the blue one, because this number here is a little bit more oversized fit. So personally, I love that oversized fit, so that I don't want anything restrictive on my stomach area. I think for my body type, I think this green one will look more better on my body type. It's just my preference. So let me know in the comment below. Let me know what you think about this dress, whether you prefer the blue one or the green one. Personally, I love the green one, and this year we all know that everybody's dressing green. So let me know in the comment below what do you think about this blue dress. Guys, look at these amazing coordinate pieces. I just love the A-line of this skirt, and I love the fact that the jumper have these details of zip. I will say this plus. If you are somebody that love wearing tiny necklace, details necklace, I will say this number here, you can go wrong. With your brown shoe, with your black shoe, you are ready to go. I really love this type of number, because it's those items that you can really style down, you can style up, you can take it to the next level. So they are very easy to style. And the other number I'm be loving is this number here, this chunky number with rose and blue. I think the details is amazing. Imagine yourself, you're going to work with your blue denim, you are ready to go. I think it's very chic, it's very put together and elegant. Another number I'll be loving is this coordinate number. Although it's short, I didn't know why Zara did not do the short a little bit longer, but it's just my personal choice, where I believe that with tight, with black tight, you are ready to go. It's very chic and lovely. Those days that you want to go for shopping with your long coat, with your tights, with this number, I believe that's something that you can really dress up. You can take it to the next level, and it's something that you can dress as loungewear for weekend when you're at home, you're running errands. I think this type of number you can go around. Guys, look at the amazing number we have here. Look at this orange amazing jumper. Wow, Zara have it in green, in blue and brown. It's something that you have interest for. I find the color very interesting. The green one, I would say, is very rich in green. It's something that you need in your wardrobe. I believe that you can style it with a total black outfit, total neutral outfit. You will look put together and very elegant. This type of jumper, I think you can't go wrong. So depends on your sense of fashion, depends on your wardrobe. You might decide the type of color that you think that will work in your wardrobe. Personally, I think the brown one and the green one, it will work well in my wardrobe. So have that in consideration. Since they have it in blue and orange, I would say this jumper here is very oversized. Go to your true size or size down. I love this type of elegant pieces, because I think jumper is something that you can really style up, depends on items you are adding to it. Just imagine this leather blazer I'm wearing with the green jumper with shorts. I will look put together, will look very elegant and chic. It's just a way to add an inch of color to your winter outfit, but at the same time without overdoing it. And if you are going to work, it will go well with your dark wash jeans. I think it's very perfect. With your flat boots, you are ready to go. Winter essential, a brown lovely long jumper dress. You can go wrong. It's evergreen. It's those items you will style all over again, and it's very elegant, very classic. I love investing my money in classic pieces, because I know that I will use it all over again. What I love about this number, I feel that it's sleeveless, so I can add any carmine on top, so that I can spice it up. Depends on my destination, I will decide the way I will style it. And look at this amazing number, since we are still talking about classic. This black sleeve, look at the neckline. I will say it is amazing, because when you are picking jumper, I think you will take the neckline in consideration, because depends on the neckline, can look very casual, can look very dressing. So it depends on your sense of fashion, depends on the way you like to style your items. Personally, I would say if it's a little bit pricey, invest your money on the classic color. And if it's a little bit cheap, you can decide to pick green, yellow, purple. At times, it's just a way to play with fashion. But if it's a little bit expensive, I would say take brown and black in consideration. It's those items that you will style all over again. Guys, I hope you like the pieces I've been sharing with you in this video. Like personally, I have this gray number too. I hope I'm able to show you. What I love about these items, they are very classic pieces. Like I said, invest your money. If you want to buy those ones that are a little bit pricey, this one is a little bit pricey. I would say buy those classic color because grace goes with different items. As you can see, I have the classic 5 color that you need in winter time. Look at this amazing black number. You can't go wrong with this type of number, and you just look at the length. The dress is amazing. You can add any belt of your choice to spice this up. You can add any boot since it's black. This type of number you can't go wrong. And this one here is new to my collection. I love this type of classic items. So I decided to show you items that is new, items I've already used, and items that Zara have in shop. And if you want to see any other type of video, any video idea, leave me a comment below. I will do it. I love this type of video because I think they are very useful, so that when you are buying things, you will buy items you really need in your wardrobe. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, consider to subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. My name is Buba.